What's going on, guys? It's Ajax here, back with another video. I know this is not a gaming video, this is like a vlog. I just woke up, but yeah, I got some cool little stuff I wanted to share with you guys and show you today. So we're just gonna kind of record some stuff from today and make a video out of it. Yeah, we are about to get the most snow I think we've had in years. Yeah, right now I don't even know what it's at. It's probably like 3 or 4 inches. The snowstorm's supposed to hit at 11 and it's supposed to go to 8 inches, but it has literally not stopped since this morning. All right, if I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna have to get bundled up because it is cold. Alright, let's get our shoes on. Jeez, man. That is thick. That's how high it is. What's James doing? Oh, he's got... Hey, motherfucker. Run the whole freaking. Dude, this is crazy. This is the best snow we've had in a long, long time. Chat, this is crazy, bro. This is wild. Like, the last time we had a snow like this, let's see, we got a good snow last year, but it wasn't even a good snow. That was mainly just ice. It snowed, but everything else, just all the snow melted, and then the next day it froze back, so everything was just ice. This is about 3 or 4 inches of snow currently, and it is just coming down, bro. It's just coming down. And it's not supposed to stop until like 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. And I think it's supposed to start back again tomorrow. Let's get another time lapse of this. Yeah, guys, I can't even make it to the road. It's ice. That's slid right here. This is slick. And this is gravel. This is a gravel driveway, y'all. That's our main road. It's just snowing, bro. Damn. All right, here's our road. This is our road right now. That is crazy, bro. Yeah, we're trying to go in, bro, but it's just steady snowing, bro. I've never seen it snow this heavy before. It was crazy. My neighbor's in the driveway doing donuts and stuff. Wish we had a sled. Yeah, we're about to go inside and play some FORTNITE, man. All right, we back out in the snow. What the fuck?
For the vlog, right?
Ow! It's currently sleeting right now.
Get it, Speckles, get it!
Speckles. That dog's over here. Winston. What is you doing, Bubba? Here's the start of our snowman.
Specs. Yeah!
Winston! You got snow all over the house, big dog. Let's go look at the snowman win. Let's go. Let's go. What we gonna name him? He's got some Bud Light eyes. James, no.
He's got a wiener.
James. Oh my God. There's kids that live around here.
Okay.
All right, and here he is. He looks like a Timothy. Well, we got the Grinch version of him. His name is like Jimbo. I think that's his name, Jimbo. We done with playing in the snow right now. We're gonna take the dogs out again, but right now we done with it right now. It's too cold. We're back out in it. It's melting a little bit, but we about to try to build an igloo.
Okay, so first off, this was a paint bucket, and there was like red paint in the bottom of it, so it came out on it. This is gonna be difficult. It's gonna take a while. It's not gonna look perfect. It's the first time we've ever done this, so yeah, I'm gonna set phone for another time lapse. We get some progress in here. We get some progress going here. Those will stack on top of each other. You gonna be able to stack it? We're gonna see. Let's do it. Let's go. Safe to say that we gave up on the igloo because it's getting cold. I mean, obviously it's getting cold. It's getting dark and it's also like raining a little bit. Here's what we done. It was pretty shitty, but we tried. We tried. Mrs. Ajax is working on the sled. Gotta get a run and start. Run. I'm out of here. It's cold. I'm dying. Bye, Jimbo. See you tomorrow, bud. Neighbor's kid built like 2 snowmen right there. James tapped out on us. Mission failed. Snow of 2025 was fire. We did half an igloo. Not really. We did the foundation of an igloo. My wife did the doorway. And then we got, Jimbo. Oh, Jimbo over here. He's waving at the neighbors.
All right, guys, this is the next day. I just woke up, so just ignore it. We had a good time in the snow. I got the sniffles, obviously, you guys can tell, but I'm not sick. And there's still snow on the ground. I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Yeah, there's still a lot of snow on the ground. This might be melted by tomorrow. As you can see up in the woods, it's kind of like, it's crazy, dude. Yeah, guys, but thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I know this is different than the gaming video. I hope you all did enjoy. If you guys want to see more content like this, I definitely will do it. Just let me know down in the comment section below. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications. And if you guys want to watch me stream, play Fortnite, or any other games live, make sure you go down in the description and check out the Twitch and the TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you all did enjoy. I hope you all have a great day. And yeah, peace out. God bless. Love you all.
Use code AJAXTV-YT in the Fortnite shop. Thank you.
Nigga with my double cup, nigga with my